Hi everybody and welcome back to Journal with Laura. Today's journaling practice is your 5-minute fix. So if you're like, Laura, I'm feeling off, I'm feeling awful, I just need like a quick, refreshing journaling practice, but I only have 5 minutes, then this is the video for you. Good that you clicked on it. So grab your journal, grab some pens, and let's get started. Cool, so the first thing we're gonna do. So we are gonna focus at one thing at a time. So if you have more than 5 minutes, feel free to repeat this again for something else. But we're gonna write down one thing, or like the biggest thing right now that is causing you to feel off. So write that down. And then we're gonna ask ourselves, what can we learn from this? Why can we be grateful for this? What lesson is this teaching us? How can we turn this around? And really think about, okay, why am I going to be a better person when I'm going through this? Like, how is this making me actually a better human being? What am I learning from this? Okay, and then the last little bit is, how can we change it? What can we do about it? If it's an activity that you're really draining, how can you make it more easy and more joyful? How can you bring fun into this, right? How can you turn this around? What's one action step you can do now to change this? take some more time for yourself because you deserve it and everything is gonna be fine. I really do believe if we just take the time to pause and to nourish ourselves with the activities that make us feel good, like journaling or yoga or pulling an oracle card, then we can just do everything else in our lives in a so much more, you know, positive way, efficient way, productive way, right? But only if we first take care of ourselves. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share this with a friend who you think might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Journal with Laura, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!